Beautiful marine seats. Look at this, how absolutely gorgeous. They come as a set, and they're beautifully upholstered, well made, great stitching, good material. Look how much thick this headrest is. They fold, and they have an attachment point. There's a strap underneath, which I've hidden, that comes up and it snaps there. It's got nice anodized aluminum with stainless steel screws. These are made for the marine environment, obviously, and so they're exceptionally nice. So this is the strap that when you fold it down, you can lock it in place. So if you have a boat cover, it lowers the height of the boat cover. And also you don't wear the top of the chairs. The boat cover's on top of it. That looks pretty good. And underneath you can see it's a heavy-duty lattice structure. It comes with the mounting bolts. And it's just a well-constructed set of boating chairs. So these chairs are made to be permanently mounted on your boat. They could be on a removable base, but you have to add that accessory. They could be bolted to pedestals. They could bolt to a deck space in the back someplace. They can be put on a bass boat with a pedestal. So they're very flexible. If you're looking for some great boating seats with fold down back,